Hey you guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a DIY on these beautiful fall leaf mason jars. So if you'd like to know how I achieve these, then please keep on watching. The first thing you're going to need are some mason jars, and everything I picked up was from the Dollar Tree. Some scissors. You'll also need a sponge brush. And you're also going to need some Mod Podge, and you can get any finish that you prefer, and I ended up choosing the satin. And you'll also need some super glue. You'll also need some leaves and also some twine. And then the last thing that you'll need are some flameless candles. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and start to glue down the leaves to your liking. I decided to not Mod Podge these first because it was going to be quite messy, so I thought that if I glued these down first and then went over it with the Mod Podge, it would be not only a lot faster but then also a lot neater. So that's the first thing that I did. And then once I had all the leaves in place, I went over it with Mod Podge, and I did want it to have a more textured look, so I went over it heavily with the Mod Podge. But if you don't want it to look as textured, then you would just make a thinner layer. And then I just went ahead and repeated the process 2 more times. So in a perfect world, you would wait for these to dry off a little bit longer, so that's why you notice the white on them still, but this is YouTube, so I had to fast forward everything. And once I did the Mod Podge, I went ahead and started to add twine around the top of the mason jar. And you do this to the thickness that you prefer. And all I did was add some super glue to keep it all together and so it wouldn't unravel. And the last step I did was went ahead and added my flameless candles into the mason jars. And this is the finished look. It was so easy to make and I love how it turned out. It's very festive and very cozy, adds a very cute touch to your home. So this is what they looked like with the lights on, and then I will also show you guys how they look like with the lights turned off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please let me know if you guys would like to see more fall DIY videos. I have a few planned out for you guys, so let me know if you guys would like to see those and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about these. Thank you guys again, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.